Hey y'all, welcome back to Legit Mom Life. I'm so excited to be sharing with y'all the summer 2021 Fabfitfun box. And if you've already been subscribed here for a while, then you already know how much I love Fabfitfun. I just think that they are the most practical, effortless way to practice self-care on autopilot, essentially, as a busy mom like myself. So you can receive it up to 4 times per year if you choose to. All boxes can be customized. I was able to make all of my own selections, so I'll show you everything that I got in mine. Honestly, there were so many good choices. I had a hard time making my selections. Make sure you use code LEGIT10 at fabfitfun.com to save on your very first order. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Taren, and here at Legit Mom Life, I post a wide variety of videos, so I hope that you will stick around, check some of those out, and consider subscribing. So let's go ahead and dive into my box and I'll show everything that I got. Let's talk about the customizations in the first category. So there was a CC serum you can choose from, a cleanser, a summer salt neoprene beach tote that came in 2 different colors. Then there was also a multi-wear wrap, an outdoor blanket, wine chiller, and then a tie-dye towel. I ended up choosing the Summer Salt Neoprene Beach Tote. I just loved the colors on this one. There was this color combination, the pink and red, and there was a blue and green combination. They were both beautiful. So it's a neoprene material, so it's gonna be quick dry, perfect to take to the pool, to the beach, or even just to use as an everyday purse, to be honest, for this summer. It's open all in the inside and then does have one mesh zipper pocket here that you could probably fit your phone, keys, maybe some lipsticks or lip balms, sunscreen, things like that. But it's a good size tote, and I honestly will be using this for our beach trips this summer and probably just every day because I love the colors. It's so bright and fun. So I'm so happy with this choice. Okay, moving on to the second category that you have options for. There was a really cute little nightie. There was Detox shampoo and scalp massager. There was a Millie jewelry case. There was some hip bands. Oh, and then there was also the Ray Dunn guacamole and salsa bowls, which were so adorable. Definitely a Ray Dunn fan. There was a Bluetooth speaker, a Tarte moisturizer, and then a cooler bag by Business and Pleasure. And I honestly was going to choose the cooler bag because I just thought it was great to throw a few drinks in to head to the pool, the beach, whatever. I did end up though with the Millie jewelry case. Let me just unwrap this for y'all so you can see. It's a really pretty zebra kind of print to it. It's blue and white. And then when you unzip it, let's see what it looks like inside. Take that out. It has a mirror here so you can see when you're putting in your earrings. It has sections here for your rings. I don't know about y'all, but whenever I travel, I usually just take off my wedding ring and just kind of place it on a shelf somewhere, and I'm always worried it's gonna get lost. So that's why I decided to choose this for our trips, and I can tuck them away in here, zip them up, keep it in my purse or wherever. There's good size compartments for other earrings, maybe some necklaces. I believe this opens up. Yes, it does. And then there's a little pocket here, maybe for some small necklaces. So yeah, this is definitely a great choice if you have maybe some beach trips coming up this summer for any travel. But again, there were so many other good options in that category. I mean, you can't go wrong with a lot of these. Okay, so up next in the third category, your options that you can choose from, there was a really cute wine tumbler and straw. There was a Super Goop SPF sunscreen, which I think would be definitely a great option. There was also the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. What else? There was a curl activator for your hair. Then there was a Poolside water resistant spouch. Bobble Bar also had a really cute little build your own bracelet kit that was an option. Then there was a vitamin E moisturizer and some blue light blocking glasses. I did end up choosing the Poolside Wet Dry Pouch because I thought it would be a perfect fit to go with my neoprene beach tote. So this is going to be perfect to keep my cell phone, maybe my keys dry at the pool and beach this summer. And it does have 3 little compartments. So there's one here, then there's a middle clear pouch, and then another pouch on this side. So you can keep items separated, make sure they stay nice and dry while you're at the pool. And I also love that it has this long wristlet because you can easily just, you know, throw your, maybe your credit cards in here if you need to go make a quick errand while you're at the beach or pool. And it's also such a pretty tie-dye print. So I really love that. I will definitely be using this at the beach and pool this summer to keep all of my items dry. All right, next up in category 4, there was a vitamin C facial serum. There was a watermelon dewy setting spray, which sounds so great for the summer. Then there was the African Botanics shimmering body oil. And finally, a little activity book that might be good for some summer road trips that you might be having. And I did choose the African Botanics shimmer oil. First of all, this just looks gorgeous and I cannot wait to wear it at the beach. In fact, let's open it up. Just get a little bit on my hand here so I can show you guys what it looks like and how it feels. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Okay, it's been about a minute since I put that on and it's absorbed really nicely into my skin. Let's see if you can tell the difference between each one. It's kind of hard with the lighting in here, but it looks really nice and moisturized and shimmery. And I bet you outside in the sun, ooh girl, you'll be gleaming at the beach and at the pool this summer. That does really feel nice. It has a really light, almost a floral kind of a scent to it, but it's super light, not overwhelming at all. I really actually like that nice fresh scent. So yeah, I'm really happy with this choice. It does also say that you can even run it through the ends of your hair to moisturize and add a little shine. And it will also extend the life of your tan. So kind of perfect hand in hand with all of the other beach accessories. You can also smooth this over your décolleté, shoulders, legs, and you can also use it as a highlighter down the bridge of your nose, on your cheeks, just to add a little extra something. So I really love this one. All right, up next in category 5, again, a lot of good choices here. There was a minted lipstick duo that you can choose from. There was a recovery after sun gel that would also be great. There was a selfie ring light that can attach to your phone. Then there was the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser. I'm already a fan of Dr. Brandt, so I really loved that option. Then there was also the Flight Mode High Altitude Hydration Mask and a really cute melamine printed tray and then some cutting boards. So a lot of good options for your home as well. And I did end up choosing the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Cleanser. This does have salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark to help keep your pores nice and purified and clean. This you can use on damp skin to form a rich lather, and you can even use it AM and PM. I'll put on just a little bit so y'all can kind of see the consistency. So it's more like a gel actually, so I like that it's light. That feels really nice on my skin. Oh, it has like a little bit of a minty kind of a scent. I really like that. So I know that I will definitely be loving this cleanser. I have not tried it before, but the reviews are great on it. So if you're needing a cleanser, I really recommend this one. Finally, for category number 6, there were so many good choices here too, and they were all in bundles. And there's honestly too many for me to even list here, so you'll have to just head to fabfitfun.com to see all of those options. But I chose the Kate Spade workout socks, and this actually comes with 2 pair of socks. So these are great for bar, maybe yoga, if you're doing some at-home workouts that you need a little extra grip for. I just thought that they were really cute. They're open on the top, and then the interior is actually like a terry cloth material to help keep your feet dry while you're working out, but I thought they're just so adorable. So I chose those, and then I chose, with that bundle, came with the Botanics Beauty eye mask. And I actually got these, I believe, in my FabFitFun winter box, and I love them so much. You know, as a mama, we're tired, so often I need a good eye mask, and I like to use these. They work wonderfully. So if you're needing a good option in this category, this was my favorite, and I really love those. Also in my box, they did throw in some Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I have already talked about these over on Instagram if you follow me there. I love these so much. They also have an immune support one that's really good, but this actually just increases your hydration. It has good electrolytes in it, and I honestly love these, and I think I actually have a discount code, so I will leave that down below for you. Okay, if you have any questions at all on FabFitFun, comment down below. Let me know. I love to help y'all out on making your own selections. Don't forget to use code LEGIT10 to save on your very first FabFitFun order. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing. I have so many other videos you can check out, and I will see y'all in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
When there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be.